I'm Professor Spiliotis. Come on in, I'll show you around. So welcome to the drawing and painting studio. As you can see, it's quite large. Plenty of space for a large classroom and still lifes. One of the great things about this studio is that you're never at a loss for storage. We have storage for drawing boards, storage for paper. This top drawer is mine. It houses my drawing 2 students' work. We also have storage for drawing boards while they're being worked on. This is from my drawing 2 class, so you can see they can put their pages in their cubbies without them getting ruined. We have more storage in the back. Here we have the painting and drawing 1 storage shelf. We have another closet for storing drawings and paintings. Then we have a bunch of lockers so students can keep their materials safe in class. We also have photo storage and chemical storage. We also have a whiteboard and a projector. This is where we write stuff and sometimes make bad drawings to try to illustrate the assignment. Like any good studio, we have reference charts. And of course, we have the obligatory artist postcards located at every entrance and around the studio. Also, I want to show you one of my favorite places in the studio. Our ginormous sink. That's right. We have hot water. I want to show you our stables of horses, drawing horses, that is. We have wood ones and metal ones. Located right off the drawing and painting room is our workshop. Safety first. Here we have portable tables and all of our tools to help our Design 2 students make unique pieces of art. Now let's take a look at the closet. In our still life closet, we have Skelly Barb and Skelly Bob, along with lots of other creepy stuff for still life drawings, and lots of things to learn value. Right off the drawing and painting room, we have a dark room where we can teach Photo 1 and Photo 2. Unlike the song from the Police, gotta use a red light in here. Let me show you the other part of our studio, which is the design room, where we teach Design 1 and Design 2. In our design room, we have large tables. Great for working on a flat surface. We also have a light table. And you guessed it, more storage. The design room also features this large format cutter, which has never taken any fingers. Right off the design room, we have an art resource library. It's filled with all different kinds of books and magazines about different types of art. We also offer 2 art history courses at EPCC, which can help you learn more about art and the type of art that you're looking to create. The design room also features an exterior door so that you can check out our sculpture garden. So that concludes our tour of the art building. I'm going to head out. I hope you enjoyed it, and we hope to see you at EPCC.